Hey y'all! Today we're in Gadsden, Alabama at River Rocks Landing RV Resort. This resort sits on the Coosa River and is just off of Interstate 759. They offer 159 sites in a variety of sizes from tent size to big rig friendly. They have a ton of amenities here, including 3 swimming pools and a splash pad. They have a restaurant, nice shower house, laundry facilities. They have a playground for the kids and fitness center for the adults. They have a walking path along the river and even offer boat slips and have several docks. They have a beautiful venue space large enough to accommodate up to 400 people. We're just here for an overnight stop on our way to Tennessee, so we thought we'd show y'all around while we're here. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we hope y'all enjoy it. We're here on site 120, and the sites over here at least are full hookup. To check and make sure they all are. So full hookup. We're on Waterfront, back in. They're all on like gravel, but it rained last night and it's not like muddy or anything, so it's good. Pretty close together, but we have a little bit of room in the front. And we had to park the truck across the street. Everybody's decorating for Halloween. Some cute inflatables up. We'll just walk straight up and go to the pool and see that area. Trick or treat. They went all out. They fancy like that. So there's like 4 rows in the middle that are all pull-throughs. Is there 4 roads in there? Maybe, yeah, maybe even more than that. And then over here are the back ends or pull-ins if you're in a mobile home, motor home. Some of them have swings. You see the dock out there. So some of them are big rig friendly like that, and then up here, like this is 114, they get really small. You can see that little tiny home up there, how tiny that is. No pun intended. Yeah, is that even a site?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like
power's 103.
Yep, so 103. Teeny tiny. So that's like a like you do like a little pop-up or something really small.
No slides.
No slides for sure. Skinny. You can hear the roar of the propane heaters going because it is cool this morning. Woke up to temperatures in the 40s, which feels good. And then like right here, this is an RV site, considered an RV site, but it's basically like for a tent or something. There's power, no water and sewer, but it's a site, and it's like 6 foot long, so something teeny. Then they have another cute little cottage. There's site 109, and then that's the store. We walked in there last night, so I'll put that in.
That's a restaurant too, right?
Yeah, I said store. I actually meant restaurant. It's a, there it is, Current Market and Deli. So it's like the restaurant. They had lots of tables in there. They serve like hot dogs, hamburgers, quesadillas. She said they had a fish po' boy. So there's a little area that they have like a fire pit right here. Let me get that while we're here. So I have a little fire pit area. This is nice. right on the water. So it doesn't look like they serve breakfast. But that was all lit up at night. Got a little bird there this morning. Very pretty through here. Another dock with some cleats to tie your boat up. And that's the interstate. That's the interstate, right? When we came in on.
I think it's 751 or something.
And there's some more small sites in the middle. And over here they have a splash pad and 2 different pools. We'll go see if the gate's unlocked. I don't know if they lock them or not, but it's only 7 a.m. so may or may not be unlocked. We'll go check and see. There we go. Nice area, big clean concrete, plenty of chairs around it. Nice clean pool. Looks like a starfish at the end of that one. Oh, over here they have the infinity pool. So pretty. Lots of chairs and tables with umbrellas. And at certain times they heat it. So they're cleaning it right now, and it has a heater in it that they do up to certain temperatures. Here we have the kiddie pools. A few lounge chairs here, and this one is 1'3". Nice little kiddie pool with a beach entrance, and they have a splash pad over here. And this trail takes you back down, and you can take the right, goes back to the behind the RVs, or you can take this left and it takes you on along the river. You can go down under the bridge right there and go up to where we saw the ducks last night. It's all gravel. And then you see the back of the pool right there. So I don't have the map with us to know the name of the roads, but I'll try to find that and put that in. And they're all one way, so they come toward us.
The map we have, these are not named.
Oh, okay. Alright, so we'll try to find site numbers and put on them. Another little tiny home. So cute. They probably call those cottages. Yes. So that is the Pinewood Cottage. Speaking of pines, there are a good bit of pine trees in there. Alright, so when you come through the gate, on the map, everything is arrows for you to go to the right and go around, and then all of these also have arrows to come this way. So we drove around that last night. Hopefully you'll be able to see that, which is the river road. So we'll just go down a couple of these to try to show you that. We'll go over here This first one here is number 13. Give you an idea of where we are. These are full hookup. Yeah, it did. So that's number 2 with the momentum right there. Give you an idea of how big they are. They're all pretty good size. All of these are the pull-throughs.
These right here for overnight would be great.
Yeah.
Just pull in.
Look at the babies.
Oh.
Look at the babies. They're like, what are you doing?
Got it made.
Yeah, so for doing what we're doing, coming through here for a one-nighter on our way up to Tennessee, these are perfect. Easy in, easy out.
Yeah, it's level enough. You wouldn't have to unhitch it unless you wanted to.
Yeah. So I guess we're walking due south because the sun's rising over there to our left, and it's set to the right last night. See the boat storage right there. They have swings all throughout the river walk there where you can sit by the water, and these were lit up last night. And then over by our site they have string lights, so there is some light in here. Not a whole lot throughout the sites there. There's no street lights, and I don't see any kind of pedestal lights or anything. I have to look on the map and see how many cottages they have. They have a good bit in here, so if you don't have an RV, there's plenty of options up here. That one over there is a teeny tiny thing, and then these look larger.
Nice porches on them too.
Yeah, the porches are nice. Yeah. So all of the sites have a picnic table, at least one picnic table. So the road is gravel with some busted asphalt on it. There are some here that look like they have been here a while. So they may have long-term rentals or permanent residents here. These have a lot of trees around them. They look like they're pretty flexible with what you bring in, what you have. You know, you can decorate and bring your, what do they call those tent things? That thing. I want one of those for the house in the teal color. Cute little dragon. Oh, that one's for sale. Anybody want to buy an avalanche? That one's for sale. So we're at 31 and 30. You can see they start getting significantly smaller. And then these, like, there's not a whole lot of room right here if you were coming through here. They sell firewood over there. And this is the laundry. Let's go see if it's unlocked. They do have available space for your broom parking. So there's a Columbus that's for sale. Is that the same? Nope, the Avalanche is the one that was for sale. So there's another one for sale. Yeah, 67. Like, that is just a...
For vans.
A van. Oh, there you go. Yeah, for a little van. Yeah.
And there's a little pop-up.
Little van, because those are really small. But if you're like car camping, you know, little Subaru, Jeep camping, that kind of thing, that would be good because you have your power. Yeah, rooftop tents. They have T90 sites over there. Be perfect for a tent. And then more little cottages. Over here they have a chapel. That is the Portofino, and this one's the Windsor cottage. So cute. I'd like to go in one of them. The waterfront sites are nice, full hookup. They're just kind of small and on gravel. No concrete pads, no fire rings or grills or anything. And then over here is their tree house. This is just a beautiful looking house. I'd love to go in it too. Has bed swings outside. Oh, there's another chipmunk. Little chipmunks everywhere. So, tree house. They have bed swings. Staircase going up. It was all lit up last night. Very cool looking. Like the bed swings. So this is like, you know, this is a kind of a big area that there's no RVs or anything. Kind of cool that they kept this.
Yeah, you can see when they turn all these Christmas lights on.
Yeah, that's gonna be pretty.
Yeah, pretty.
They had Christmas trees, like metal Christmas trees with lights, big ones over on the other side that they're, looks like they're getting ready to decorate for holidays. Alright, so we are gonna start packing our stuff up to head to Tennessee. And hopefully this video comes out. There we are. We're looking for fall and we found it. It's pretty here.